Good morning, everyone. For all of you new followers, I thought I would do my favorite turkey burger recipe that's healthy, super high protein, and yes, I'm using the tube of Shady Brook Farms that is 90% lean. You can use use what you have in your house. This is what was in my freezer. This is what's going into my turkey burger. This is not a recipe that I made up. I just kind of tweaked it. It is Brittany Williams' instant loss recipe. So in her recipe, she puts in 1 egg, and that's what I'm putting in. 1 egg, a pound of ground turkey of your choice. I'm gonna try to beat that egg a little bit on the side. And I will get my hands into it, but I don't wanna do that till I have all the ingredients in it. She has 4 scallions, which is roughly, when I cut these up, about a 1/4 cup of scallions. They go right into the meatloaf, or yeah, I guess you could make this a meatloaf or a burger, but I'm making them as a turkey burger. I have, as I said, a whole lot of new followers, and the reason for my page is to share healthy recipes, to inspire others to cook at home, and show how the weight loss journey has been all along. It's based on my prepping, my cooking, and we live in a rural area, so there's no one that delivers. There's no takeout. So I have found, especially through this year when I had surgeries on other things, I have found that being prepped was what saved my life this year. So I hope to inspire others to do the same. That's all I'm about. It's just an inspirational page. There was a girl that 1 teaspoon of sea salt. There was a girl I followed, and she inspired me to do this whole lifestyle change all along. And then 1 tablespoon, I will write it all up for you, you know I do. 1 tablespoon of minced onions. They just add some flavor. So yeah, if I inspire you in any way, that's what I'm trying to do. Not any get famous, nothing. 1/4 cup of oats is going in. That's going to be the binder instead of a breadcrumb with me so far. If I stop right here, I can make my husband turkey burgers. He likes them without the next step. He doesn't like spinach, so her recipe has spinach in it. So I am going to make the spinach today because I am meal prepping my burgers for myself. So this makes 4 to 5 burgers when I'm done. It would make 5, but once you add, it would make 4, but adding the spinach makes it make 5 because it bulks it up. Now I get my veggies any which way I can. I want to enforce that. So like, you put in what you like. If I didn't have spinach, I would dice up zucchini into this burger. You could do tomatoes and feta along with this spinach. I almost thought about that, but I want my tomatoes for a corn recipe that I'm going to do later. I have only 1, 2, 3 small tomatoes left, and they're going to be for the corn recipe. So I don't want to use them. But don't you think that adding, if you think like I do, adding tomatoes and feta into this burger would be pretty scrumptious. So then it would be some oregano and make it a Greek burger. That's how I roll. Like when I see a recipe, this is her exact recipe, so I didn't even tweak it. When I see a recipe, it gives me ideas. So that's kind of like how I cooked. I'm 62 years old, and when I got married the first time, I was only 17. I had 0 idea of a kitchen. So I learned by trial and error. I had 1 Betty Crocker orange cookbook that my mother gave me for my wedding, 1981 wedding, and if I was making anything fancy, it came out of there. But I really have learned to cook without recipes. So doing these videos for you this past year has been tough because it makes me measure, it makes me follow recipes, it makes me make up recipes, it makes me write down recipes. I'm going to write a cookbook, I swear. I have it pretty much typed up, but I've researched it, and it costs a lot of money to do a cookbook because you've got to pay that initial printing. So I'm not sure how or when, but a cookbook should be on the horizon of, I don't know. I was going to try to do it all healthy, but then my granddaughter and children will not have the recipes that they grew up on. Last year I did do Christmas cookies, and I also did Thanksgiving, which was not the healthy recipes, but that was per request. So because I'm working for you, I'm going to show you. I just take it and try to put it in 4 equal portions. It's going to make 4 massive burgers. It would make 5, but I'm going to do it at 4. Then you just pan sear them. And I try to finish these in the oven because they are, I want poultry and I like poultry cooked. Somebody posted yesterday that her husband didn't like the texture of the crock pot chicken, and I get that. But my husband and myself would both want poultry completely overcooked versus undercooked. Does that make sense? I had bloody chicken wings once at a restaurant and it was disgusting. So once you have that, you never want to see that again. So I'm going to do 4 massive burgers. One of these will be for my lunch today. And then the other ones I just put aside in the fridge, and they're like meals through the week for me. High protein, low carb, the carb, I did put the oats in. I was talking, yes, I did put the oats in. The carb is the oats, but those are a complex carb that are good for you. And I'm going to cook them up. And now I don't have a finger to touch that with. So I only had these David's Killer Rolls that are hoagie sandwiches, and they're David's Killer Rolls done right. I have one left. I keep them in the freezer. There's 11 grams of protein. Normally I have the hamburger buns, but I didn't have the hamburger buns. So I'm using these instead, and I had to cut my burger in order to accommodate the shape of the roll. On this burger, I have more spinach, spinach, tomato, avocado, a little mayo. And you can't argue that that is not a massively, maybe 46 grams of protein, delicious sandwich. I most likely cannot eat this all at once because of the roll. Sometimes I do just half the roll, but I wanted to show you that this turkey burger recipe is delicious, healthy, and can be put on with whatever you like. Oh, I forgot my pickles on there already. So I have 3 more delicious patties in this container that I can have for 3 more meals. Hope this helps you. Have a great day.